Hello developers and welcome back. In this section, we're going to build this amazing application called the Quadratic Equation Solver. This application solves the mathematical equations in form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. For example, here I'll enter 2, which refers to 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Click solve and you can see here are the roots 1.5 and the second root is 1. We're going to review data binding with edit text, two-way binding with text views and buttons. Also, we're going to introduce some mathematical concepts inside this application. I think you are very excited to build this amazing app. So let's start building it.